introduction video of Java. First of all, what is Java? Java is a programming language. Java is a programming language which was developed, created in 1995, I think so. Yes, it was owned by Oracle, and more than 3 billions of devices run Java. Now, for what purpose Java is used? Java is used for mobile applications, especially for Android apps, for desktop applications, for web applications, for web servers and application servers, and especially for games, and for database connectivity, and for database connections. And Java is used for much more and more things. Now a question comes in mind, why we need Java, why we use Java. There are some reasons why we use Java. Some of them are here. Java works on different platforms, and in this series of video we use Java in Windows. Java is also used in Mac. I read in some books, and Java is used in Linux environments, and also Java is used for Raspberry Pi. And Java is one of the most popular languages in the world. Also, why we use Java? Because it is easy to learn and it is easy to use Java programming language for the development of different softwares. Also, Java is an open source programming language and it's free to use. No need to pay for writing programs in Java. But if you make an app, awesome app, you can get paid for it if you want. Also, Java is secure, fast and powerful programming language. One of them. And the most important, Java has a huge community of supporting developers. Millions of developers support Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language which gives a clear structure to program and allow code to be reused, which lowers the development cost. Yes. And Java is much closer to C++, C#. It is easy for programmers to switch from Java to other languages like C++, C#, and vice versa, means that they can easily switch from C++ or C# to Java. There are very common things between Java and those languages. This series of Java will teach you everything about Java. The only thing you need to follow this series of Java. Yes. And it is not necessary to have any other programming language experience. You can follow this series of Java and hope you can get experience, and it will help you if you are willing to learn Java. In the next video, we will see how to set up your system for running and executing your Java programs. That will be very helpful for you. And in the next video, we will see what the basic terminologies used in Java, basic concepts like what is Java source code, what is JVM, what is JRE, and what is bytecode. All these things will help you to understand how Java is actually working in the architecture level